one, guys, I make omelet, mix too much vegetable, bell pepper, spring onion, tomato, mushrooms, and I have parsley. You see, parsley, I put it up. Okay, so I put now, and then I put egg. This one. And then I put chop of parsley. This one. This one. And then I put my vegetable. Okay. That's it. That is my egg omelette. You see? Yummy. And then I make fold like this. You see now what I doing. Yummy song, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I put already salt and black pepper. Ay, mali. Ay, mali. Karwan. Okay na lang yan. Ako naman kakain. Yun sa matanda, magandang pagkagawa yun. Hindi ko na video kasi nagmamadali ako. Ayan. So, that's it. My egg omelette with veggies. Okay? The yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bulan ko sa talaga siya ng 3 minutes, guys. So, this is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, that's it, and bye-bye.